Hello. Well, I'm going to take a bike ride down to this deserted old church. I think it was built in the late 1800s. It's been deserted for quite a while. So let's go see if we can see any evidence of it being haunted. I didn't bring pepper today because it's up to like 92 degrees. And this is the first time I've ridden my bike for a while. So as I'm riding, I'm probably going to tell you some things about what I've learned about RVing. So I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see the pretty scenery. Well, if I wreck, you'll see it first. Okay, here we are at the lovely church. I'm gonna walk around, see what I can see. Inside it's very smoothly. See, they have it locked up. Let's see when the last time. Welcome, Community Church. Jesus lives. Isn't that awesome? Yes, it is. What is this? Cornerstone Gospel Tabernacle. I'm gonna listen to that bell again. Supposedly, when this church dissolved, and the last people quit coming, Gary and Laura owned this lot right here because according to an abstract, if that happened, if people quit coming, it reverts back to his farmland. So there's a lot of neighbors disputing that, and they were just going to let it go, but decided out of principle they'll probably fight it. There are no gravestones here, but it's a shame. Beautiful tree. I can just picture church socials with tables full of homemade food like I went to when I was a kid. Wouldn't that be cool to go to a church out here in the middle of the country? Wonder what it would take to revive the church. I hope my bike doesn't get stolen. You see? Can't see a thing in there. I can't see, but I'm putting the camera there. Watch a neighbor come and yell at me. You know, there's just something about Midwest air, grass, trees. It's just not like the tropics in Florida, and I miss that so much. No stained glass windows. There must have been some poor folk that came here. I think I'm going to do some research. Google it when I get home and see what I can find out about the Cornerstone Tabernacle. I can't see in there, but maybe it'll show up on my film. Just not tall enough. Well, that's two different kinds of wrinkly glass. And they got the door locked up tight. But that bell's probably worth something. I think I'll ride down the road a ways. A piece, as they say in Indiana. Ride down the road a piece. Are you two buddies now? What do you think, Laura? What do you two think? What do you think, Laura? What do you think?